how to schedule an email using Outlook. So let's just compose a new email, click new email, and then click kung kanino natin isa-send yung email, and then the subject, and then the body. So kung makikita natin sa taas, you can click the arrow and then schedule send, and then if nakita natin meron ng available na schedule sa taas, kung wala man dito yung gusto nyong isend, kung kailan yung gustong isend yung email, just click customize time. So click, and then let's say on the 30th around, let's say 10 a.m. So click send, and then kung makikita nyo sa baba, send schedule for this Wednesday 10 a.m. So after natin ma-schedule yung email natin ay mapupunta siya sa drafts. And if gusto natin siyang i-cancel or reschedule, just click cancel, send, and then mapupunta uli siya dun sa email, and then now we can schedule again dun sa specific time or date na gusto natin i-reschedule yung email. So just click customize time, and then let's say on the 30th, same day, but this time around 10:30 a.m. and then just click send. So ganoon mag-schedule, mag-reschedule at mag-cancel ng email using Outlook.